Okay, on the menu today, as you can see here, just finished this one. We're gonna make a wonderful prawn. As you can see, I've got some nice big fat prawns there. Garlic, chili, tomato, linguine pasta. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's look at this then. So, 1 onion sliced, 1 can of tomatoes chopped. Here's our prawns. Now I've got quite big fellows there. You can use smaller ones if you want, the process is the same. Now they were frozen. I got them into some cold water, rinsed them, just left them for a few minutes, drained them off. I've got 4 cloves of garlic sliced, some black olives. I'm using these calamatas and I've kept the stone in. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of oregano. If you wanted, you could change that for something else, rosemary, thyme or something like that, basil. We're gonna start with some oil, add some salt and pepper. That's about it. It's delicious. Okay, before we get started, I've already got my pasta cooked here. I'm using some linguine. You can cook any pasta you want, any type. Just get it ready because we're gonna concentrate on the sauce. So I've got some oil in there, heating up. We're gonna start off by dropping in our onion and our garlic and those olives. Might as well get them in right now. Medium heat. Let's go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Fantastic. We're now going to add some salt. Going to add that chili powder. My dried herb, which is oregano. And some black pepper. Very simply, we're now going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. And we need to cook this now for about 6 minutes. Really want to kind of get the tomatoes cooked out. Now these tomatoes have cooked through. It needed that time just to kind of cook them out a bit. We're ready to add in the prawns. Like I say, I've got these kind of big fellows here. So we're going to continue cooking now for about another 5 minutes or so. If you've got really small prawns or shrimps you're using, you do it just in less time. They cook really quickly. So yeah, 5 minutes or so. Keep it moving. We're nearly there. Okay, so these prawns are definitely cooked now. Now time for those chili flakes. I mean, optional really, but I love them in there. Also going to put in some parsley, some flat leaf parsley in there. That is looking incredible. And then time for our pasta. Now you can serve it on the side if you want. I'm going in. And with the heat on, let's just mix this in. As you can see, I'm using 2 spoons. Let's just get it in there for about 3 minutes. Get some sauce all over that pasta, and then we're ready to go. And there you have it. Simple that, wasn't it? Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you really soon. Lots of love.